Hi everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to talk about working with Microsoft Azure Blob Storage. Our software can create containers, upload and download files, and extract a list of files from Azure Blob container. So here we have a package demonstrating working with Azure Blobs. Let me show some of the actions. We can select connection, with connection details, and we can also use data browser to work with a container. For example, what we can do, we just click connect, and then we can create new container or folder. Let's call it data, and we can even upload files and download files. Let's delete container because we don't need it. Delete it. As you can see, there is no need to use any third-party tools. Everything can be done from advanced ETL processor interface. So let's run as a package. This uploading files. So as a last step, it is asking if you want to delete temporary folder. We no longer need it, so we just delete it. First step we do, we set up the variables. So we have a download folder, we have upload folder. Then we create folder on our local computer, create download folder. To that we create container called test. Then we just upload text files. We download them into download folder. We create a files list. And we delete the files from the container because we no longer need it. And we delete container. And once everything is completed, we just ask the user if we want to delete download folder, and we delete it. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Please like and subscribe.